Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are going to take a look at the responsive property of inline input grids. Let's see how this works on an example. Here we have an order entry application that features an inline input grid for collecting the order details. You can find this option under the Control Properties menu on the right when you click on the control. An input grid with the responsive property enabled will collapse the columns when the contents of any of the input cells exceed the visible area. Let's do a preview and see what this looks like. In this case, you can click the green plus buttons to expand individual rows to display the data. When this property is disabled, the input grid column contents will be wrapped when a value exceeds the column size limits.